students, welcome to Kiran coaching classes. Today we see solved example 2.5. The example is calculate the work done in blowing a soap bubble to a radius of 1 centimeter. The surface tension of soap solution is 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 Newton per meter. We have to find the work done. वर्क डन फाइंड आउट करायचं आपल्याला सोप बबल ब्लो करण्यासाठी आणि त्या सोप बबलची रेडियस 1 सेंटीमीटर आहे आणि सरफेस टेन्शन ऑफ सोप सोल्यूशन इज 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 न्यूटन पर मीटर. म्हणजे रेडियस दिलेली आहे आपल्याला सोप बबलची. हियर द रेडियस इक्वल टू r इक्वल टू 0.1 सेंटीमीटर आणि 1 सेंटीमीटरचं मीटरमध्ये कन्वर्जन करायचं. दिस इज इक्वल टू 0.01 मीटर. देन गिव्हन इज सरफेस टेन्शन T इक्वल टू 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 Newton per meter. This is the surface tension given. And initial radius of soap bubble is 0. Initial radius of soap bubble it is equal to 0. Therefore initial surface area equal to 0. Therefore initial area equal to 0 meters square. Here therefore change in area it is equal to change in area it is equal to 4 pi r square minus 0. एवढा का आहे चेंज इन एरिया ना 4 pi r square minus 0. This is the change in area. And soap bubble has two surfaces. It has a two surfaces. Therefore we take it as a here 2 into 4 pi r square. This is equal to 2 times 4 pi r square minus 0 because it has a two surfaces. Then it is equal to 8 pi r square. This is equal to 8 into 3.14 into r square 0.01 square. And this is equal to 8 into 3.14. 8 4 the 32. 3 carry over. 8 and 3 11. 1 carry over. 8 3 the 24 and 1. 25. And 2 decimal places. Into 0.01 square. 0.0001. This is equal to, we can write as a 0.002512. एवढा का आहे सरफेस एरिया येणार आहे. चेंज इन सरफेस एरिया आपण चेंज इन सरफेस एरिया कशाने डिनोट करू. DA इक्वल टू 0.002512 मीटर स्क्वेअर. We can write this as a 0.251 into 10 raised to minus 2 आणि 2 निग्लेक्ट केला आपण आणि डेसिमल 2 इकडे सरकवले राईट साइडला. तर इंटू 10 raised to minus 2 मीटर स्क्वेअर एवढा काय चेंज इन एरिया येणार. देन वर्क डन इट इज इक्वल टू सरफेस टेन्शन इंटू चेंज इन एरिया. दिस इज इक्वल टू सरफेस टेन्शन इज गिवन 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 2. 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 into change in area. DA equal to 0.251 into 10 raised to minus 2. This is equal to 25 on the 25. 2 carry on. 25 the 125, that is 12 127 means 12 carry on. 25 to the 50, here 62 means 6 2, and total decimal 1 2 3 4 decimal आहे. आणि 10 raised to minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 2, 10 raised to काय येणार आहे -4 येईल. आणि we can write this as a 6.275 into 10 raised to -5 जूल एवढं काय होणार आहे वर्क डन होईल. एक डेसिमल आपण राईटला गेलो. 6.275 into 10 raised to -5 जूल एवढं काय होणार आहे वर्क डन होईल. हे झालं एक्झाम्पल, सॉल्व एक्झाम्पल. नाउ वी सी द अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट. अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट पाहू आपण. मग अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट here this is a, that is the for liquid surface. Liquid in this case kerosene is taken in this container, that is glass container, and here is the mercury is taken. When liquid is come in contact with a solid surface, liquid solid surface च्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये आला तर it form the meniscus. That meniscus is either convex or it is either or concave. For example, kerosene glass pair. Kerosene glass pair साठी meniscus is a concave meniscus. That is as this concave meniscus. And for a here the liquid, that is mercury glass pair, meniscus, that is surface. Meniscus it is a convex. Convex means as this, like as convex surface. Now here also this is the due to the here the behavior of a liquid and solid. There are the different forces acting on, that is the liquid molecule, when it is in contact with a solid surface. तर आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट म्हणजे काय ते पाहिजे. व्हॉट इज द अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट. हा जो अँगल आहे, आता हे लिक्विड आहे म्हणजे केरोसिन, आणि हे काय, हे कॅपिलरी. सपोज कन्सिडर करू आपण ट्यूब घेतली, ग्लास ट्यूब, आणि ती डीप केली, तर काय होतं इथपर्यंत हे लिक्विड राईट झालेलं आहे. आणि इथं हा सरफेस कसं झालेला आहे, असा कॉन्केव्ह सरफेस आहे. आणि यातला जर आपण इथं टॅन्जेंट काढला, हा टॅन्जेंट आहे ह्या सरफेसला, टॅन्जेंट लिक्विड सरफेसला. आणि लिक्विड सरफेस आणि हे सॉलिड सरफेस यांच्यामधील जो अँगल आहे तो काय आहे, थिटा. ह्या थिटा अँगलला काय म्हणतात, हियर अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट. आता मर्क्युरी ग्लास पेअर साठी हियर सरफेस कसा आहे, असा आहे. यामध्ये काय, हा जर आपण सरफेस लिक्विड सरफेसला टॅन्जंट काढला आणि हा टॅन्जंट आणि हे सॉलिड यांच्यामधील अँगल हा थिटा आहे. मग हा अँगल जो आहे थिटा, काही याच्यामध्ये ॲक्यूट अँगल आहे, काही याच्यामध्ये ऑप्टूज अँगल आहे, काही लिक्विड आणि सॉलिड पेअर मध्ये झिरो अँगल आहे. मग अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट इज फॉर अ गिव्हन सॉलिड liquid pair is defined as the angle between, it is the angle between tangent drawn to the free liquid surface. इथं सुद्धा आपण काढू शकतो, tangent drawn to the free liquid surface and the solid. That angle is called as the angle of contact. Angle of contact for a liquid solid pair, it is the angle between, कशामधला अँगल आहे, here tangent drawn to the free surface ला tangent draw केला and solid surface. That angle is called as the angle of contact and it is measured in the liquid मध्ये काय केलेलं आहे, मेजर केलेलं आहे. मग आता इथं केरोसिन साठी, केरोसिन ग्लास पेअर साठी आपण जर केरोसिन घेतलं ग्लास कंटेनरमध्ये किंवा बॉटलमध्ये घेतलं ग्लास बॉटलमध्ये, तर हा जो अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट आहे तो कसा आहे, ॲक्यूट आहे. मग इफ अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट इज ॲक्यूट, then this surface is concave surface. And if angle of contact is obtuse, that is for mercury glass pair साठी हा जो अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट आहे म्हणजे टॅन्जंट सरफेस, लिक्विड सरफेसला टॅन्जंट ड्रॉ केलं आणि हा सॉलिड सरफेस म्हणजे ग्लास सरफेस, यामधील अँगल हा कसा आहे, ऑब्टूज आहे. मग ऑब्टूज अँगल असन म्हणजे थिटा ग्रेटर दॅन काय, 90 डिग्री, then here liquid surface is convex, and when the angle theta is acute, that is less than the 90 degree, then liquid surface is a concave. How this liquid surface change when it come in contact with a solid? When it change in surface है, free surface of a liquid in contact with a solid. This is due to the, here there is net effective force acting on a liquid molecule, and it is due to the, here cohesive force acting on molecule on the free surface of water, and also adhesive force acting on molecule between solid and liquid surface. Here their effect is, net effect is result of there is a change in surface of liquid surface का होतो, चेंज होतो. म्हणजे हे जे सरफेस वरील मॉलिक्यूल आहे ते काय, सॉलिडच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये आणि लिक्विडच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये. तर लिक्विड मॉलिक्यूल मुळे सुद्धा ह्या सरफेस मॉलिक्यूल वरती कोहेसिव्ह फोर्स एक्झर्ट होतो आणि ह्या सॉलिड मॉलिक्यूल मुळे adhesive फोर्स एक्झर्ट होतो. आणि त्याचा नेट इफेक्ट म्हणजे काय आहे, ते सरफेस काय होतं, चेंज होतं. म्हणजे कॉन्केव और इट्स बिकम द कॉन्केव and it become the convex. That net force, it is lies in a solid or liquid. On that it depends the here surface of a liquid. That is the menisci of liquid surface depend upon the net effective force which arise due to the cohesive force and also adhesive force. And how it is the net effective force, we see again. Now we see how the liquid surface, that is shape of meniscus, is concave or convex. For this we consider the concave meniscus. For this we consider the kerosene solid pair, that is kerosene is taken in a glass bottle. For that angle of contact is acute. Suppose consider the molecule of kerosene. Here is the sphere of influence around the molecule, and this is the solid, that is glass surface. In that case, there are different forces acting on molecule. Two different forces, that is the adhesive force acting due to the solid, that is due to the glass wall. This adhesive force, it is acted horizontally in this direction, that is towards the glass wall, because glass is a vertical. Another force acting on this molecule, it is a cohesive force. Cohesive force exerted by kerosene molecule, that is AC bar. AP bar is the adhesive force. It is acted in horizontal direction towards the wall of a glass, and AC bar acting in the liquid due to the, that is molecule of a kerosene, that is cohesive force. Due to both forces, their effective force that is resultant force, it is a AR bar. It directed into the solid because here AP bar is greater than AC bar. AP bar is greater than AC bar. Here larger molecule of a glass are in contact with a molecule A, and less liquid molecule is in contact with a molecule A. Therefore, AP bar is greater than AC bar, and as a result, resultant force, it is directed along AR bar, that is into the solid. सॉलिड मॉलिक्यूल मध्ये काय होतं, हा फोर्स काय होतो, डायरेक्ट होतो, रिझल्टंट फोर्स. ड्यू टू this resultant force, it is that is made normal to the liquid surface. Resultant force is a normal to the liquid surface. And to normal the liquid surface, to become the normal to liquid surface, the liquid molecule like A, it rise up, because here if we draw the tangent that is the AD tangent is perpendicular to this resultant force. AR bar resultant force आहे, आणि हा resultant force perpendicular होण्यासाठी हा tangentला म्हणजे लिक्विड सरफेसला परपेंडिक्युलर राहण्यासाठी हे मॉलिक्यूल ए सारखे मॉलिक्यूल जे आहेत लिक्विडचे ते राइज अप होईल against the boundary of a glass wall, and therefore here molecule rise up and therefore meniscus become concave. Here angle of contact is acute. AP bar greater than AC bar, therefore resultant force AR bar lies in a solid, and to become this normal, here molecule like A of a liquid rise up against the boundary of a glass wall. So meniscus become the concave. Now how the meniscus become convex? For this consider mercury glass pair. Suppose this is a mercury, this liquid is a mercury, and it is taken in a glass container, suppose in a glass bottle. For this, here this is a molecule A. If we consider molecule A, this is the sphere of influence around the molecule A, and this is the air molecule, here also the air molecule, and this is the liquid. And therefore here the number of forces acting are here on the molecule A. This is the adhesive force acting due to the glass wall, and it is directed horizontally away from the molecule. And another force acting, that is cohesive force AC bar. AC bar is the cohesive force that is acting due to the mercury molecule. That is the force exerted by mercury molecule on the molecule A, that is cohesive force. AC bar is the cohesive force, AP bar is the adhesive force. Here this, that is the molecule A, larger number of mercury molecule are in contact with molecule A, therefore this force is larger. AC bar is larger than AP bar. Here AP bar less than AC bar, therefore resultant force, that is AR bar, lies in the liquid, and therefore to become this resultant force normal to the surface, liquid surface, for that molecule A, molecule of a liquid like A, they move down against the wall, and therefore the meniscus become convex. But that is following this molecule, here this tangent, that is AT is the tangent, it becomes the perpendicular to this resultant force, and therefore that here meniscus it become the convex. In this way, here are the obtuse angle. Here angle of contact is obtuse, and therefore the liquid surface, that is for mercury glass, here the meniscus become the convex, and here meniscus for kerosene glass, angle of contact is acute, and meniscus become the, that is a meniscus is a concave, and in this case the angle of contact is obtuse and meniscus is a convex. मग आपण लिक्विड सरफेस आहे त्याचा मेनिस्कस कॉन्केव कसं असतं किंवा कॉन्व्हेक्स कसं असतं हे पाहिलेलं आहे. आणि इथं काय आहे, केरोसिन ग्लास आहे, केरोसिन पार्शियली वेट द सॉलिड and here mercury does not weight the solid. आता आपण काय करू, लिक्विड which completely weight the solid ते पाहू. Now we see zero angle of contact. For this consider water glass pair. Suppose this is a water and water completely weight the solid. In this case, if we consider the molecule, that is water molecule, here the force acting, adhesive force acting on molecule is AP bar. It is directed horizontal, and liquid molecule are very much less in contact region. Therefore, there is no cohesive force acting on molecule. That is, AC bar it is equal to 0. कोहेसिव्ह फोर्स ऍक्ट होत नाही ह्या मॉलिक्युलवरती, म्हणजे AC बार काय तर 0 येतं. And therefore, result on force acting on molecule it is along AP bar. That is along this direction. AR bar is the resultant force and AR bar it is equal to क्या है AP bar. And due to this, that is the here for this to become the normal, this force to the tangent, that is this is the tangent AT, and this force it is the normal. And therefore here molecule it is completely that the weight, this solid molecule, that is solid. Now water is completely weight, and angle between tangent to the liquid surface, हा liquid surface चा tangent, that is 80, and solid surface, that angle it is equal to 0, that is theta equal to 0. Angle of contact is a 0, and this is for a purely water, clean water, and also clean glass. Angle of contact is 0, and this water it completely weight the solid. Now we see the angle of contact 90 degree and condition for convexity and concavity. For this, suppose this is a hypothetical liquid. Hypothetical liquid, in that case, this is suppose we consider the molecule at a contact region. In that case, the resultant force, that is the force, cohesive force, AC bar. AC bar it make the angle 45 degree, exactly 45 degree at either face, at either surface, that is at a your liquid surface, also at a solid surface. This angle it is a 45 degree. And angle of contact it is become the 90 degree angle of contact, that is here this is this angle, it is a 90 degree, this is a tangent, and due to this, that is AC bar it make the 45 degree. This is the adhesive force AP bar acting on this molecule, and due to this, that is 45 degree angle which AC bar make, and resultant force it is acting along this, that is AR bar. This is the resultant force acting, and therefore to become the normal to the liquid surface, this angle of contact it is equal to 90 degree, And for this purpose, that is, we consider the AP bar, it is equal to AC bar upon under root 2. It must be AC bar upon under root 2. Therefore, for angle of contact 90 degree, AP bar equal to AC bar upon under root 2. ही कंडिशन आहे. आणि here convexity and concavity. If AP bar greater than this AC bar upon under root 2, then surface it become the here contact surface is a concave and angle of contact is acute angle. And if AP bar less than AC bar upon under root 2, then angle of contact is obtuse angle and surface is a convex. This is the condition for concavity and convexity. Here, if AP bar greater than AC bar upon under root 2, then theta is the acute angle and surface is a concave. And if AP bar less than AC bar upon under root 2, then theta is obtuse angle, angle of contact is obtuse angle and surface is a convex. These are the condition for convexity and concavity. हे आपण पाहिलेले आणि बाकीचे पॉइंट आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चर मध्ये पाहू.